And the next step in setting up your membership is to actually create an offer of what you're going to sell. This is where you're going to set up the pricing, kind of the what the product's going to look like, and some other cool features here. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is that on the offers page, and if you're not here, you go up to the memberships at the top and click offers. If you're not on this page itself, head over to the sites button on the left-hand panel, and then you should see memberships at the top. Now scroll on down to offers, click that, and you should land up right here on the offers page. Now, this page is pretty simple. It just kind of gives you an overview of what your offers have created. This is going to populate as you start to sell more and more of your offers. But you're going to select this blue create offer button, and you're going to give it a title and then choose your product. You're going to change your price and currency later in this, so you just want something to set it up to start for now. So we're going to say our membership, let's do full price. Then you're going to select the product that you want to add into this offer. Now you can actually add additional products later, but just go ahead and select the core offer that you want to add into the membership. Once you click create, it's going to take you over to the edit offer page. And you're going to notice right here we've got the title of our offer, so you can change this. You can give it a nickname that you can see to kind of remind yourself of what the offer actually is. You can give it a description, so go through and type out what's included in your actual offer. Then you've got an advanced section where you can add custom JavaScript and CSS and tracking code on your offer pages as well. Now, once you've got the basics written out, now it's time to add the included products. What memberships do you want to include? Maybe you just have one membership, but you can also include multiple memberships in your offers. I like to set up packages sometimes where for one offer we might have 2 or 3 memberships that we're adding into one offer. So you can actually just click add product at the bottom of the page here and choose your other products to include. If you had more here, you would have the option to add those in. It would just stack them there for this offer. Next up, you've got a price section here. So if you don't have a price, it's just going to make it free, but you can edit your price right here. Click on that, and then you just sort of follow the prompts here. So you give it a text override of what it's going to show for the price. You can do a one-time payment. You can also do a recurring subscription on here. Now, you need to have Stripe set up on your account before you can actually set up payment options here. So if you haven't set up Stripe yet, be sure to watch the Stripe setup video under the integrations to be able to add in the one-time payments or recurring subscriptions. Right now, we don't have Stripe attached to this account, so it's not going to allow us to do that. But if we did, we could go and click on the one-time payment option here and go and give it a price, or we could set up a subscription right there as well. Now, once you've got your pricing set up, click Save Plan, and it's going to save your price here. Now, the next step is you want to give your product an image. So create a graphic of 1280 by 720 and just upload that right here under the Upload New Files section. And once you do that, make sure to click Published and save your actual membership price. Now, once you get all this set up, one of the things that you may want to do is go and preview, what your membership actually looks like. So I don't have any content in mind, so it's not going to actually show up here. But if I did have some content, a description here, an image over here, it's going to actually show that on the page. And this is where you can get the link to the membership, once you've got that set up. And you can also edit your checkout. So if you want to edit what the screen looks like, just like you did in the membership section, we can edit the hero image, and we can kind of edit some additional information. So you've got your offer details, and maybe you want to edit the banner image here. You can select the banner image height. You can add in video descriptions. So if you want a video down here showcasing what they get. If you want to have a poster image, you can do that. If you want to have a logo on your page, you can add it here. Just go and click, pick file. And you can also edit the checkout copy. That's what's going to show up right down below this headline here. So you click edit checkout copy and start giving it a description down here. Now, once you've got that set up and saved, it's going to allow you to save your page and create the look and feel that you want to have for your membership. So as you can see, we added the description there. Now you can also add the extra contact information. So right here in the form, if you want to, collect more information, above and beyond the name and email, maybe you want to have an address. Maybe you want to have a phone number. If you select those two boxes, I always like to add those in so I collect more information from my prospects. Click Save, and it's going to go and change your form up to add that capture feature in. Now, once you've got your membership price page customized, click Save, and you can go back and get the actual link of your membership to start sharing out and actually make some sales.